Now that we have understood the concept of data structures and algorithms, it's time to see why they are so important and why companies ask questions related to them at the interviews. Let's answer the first question: why data structures and algorithms are important. As a software developer or a computer scientist, our responsibility is to perform operations on data. We basically perform the following steps: take data as an input, process it, and give back processed data as an output. The input can be in any format. For example, if you look at the Google Maps, you provide starting and ending destination points as an input to Google Maps. It processes this data to find the shortest path between this location and provide us as an output. To make this process efficient, we need to optimize all these three steps. It's very obvious that the most we can optimize is second step, where we can have data structures and algorithms. So by using graph data structures and Dijkstra's short path algorithm, Google Maps is able to find the shortest path between provided points very efficiently. Let's look at another example. By now we know that data structures refers to the way we organize information on our computer, and this has a great impact on performance. Okay, suppose you want to have a book on algorithms from a library. To get it, first you have to go to computer science section, then the algorithms section. As you see, it's very easy to find the book that we need in this way. On the other hand, if those books are not organized in this manner and just distributed randomly, it will be almost impossible to find the book that we need. This is the way a librarian organizes books in a particular form to efficiently perform a task. Here, books are the data, arranging them is a data structure, and find the book that we need is algorithm. Thus, you can easily see how important data structures and algorithms are. In this manner, software developers process and look for the best way to organize the data, so it can be processed based on input provided. Okay, now we have answered the question of why they are so important, and I hope you understand the concept. Let's continue to answer the question: why do most companies ask questions during interviews related to data structures and algorithms? It's very clear that solutions to many problems that are related to software development can be found on the internet. By copy-pasting someone's code without understanding the logic behind it, it's not possible to become a professional software developer. By asking questions related to data structures and algorithms, the interviewer checks the problem-solving ability of a candidate. For instance, even though today's computers come with more memory, if the developer does not handle memory management technique, the program may leak and lose the memory. This means that without understanding data structures, the code may end up with a memory leak. The second reason for this is that interviewer has limited time to evaluate a candidate. So by asking such questions, an interviewer can evaluate fundamental concepts of programming. This means that if a candidate is good at data structures and algorithms, she or he can learn any new technology or programming language easily. You just need to learn the syntax of new programming language. And that's it for this video. Hopefully you understand why data structures are important in programming. So in the next video, we will concentrate on types of data structures.